This is one question of the past paper questions in the IGCSE exams. This is question 21, June 2010, paper 2-1. A is 2 by 4 matrix, B is 3 by 2 matrix, and C is 1 by 3 matrix. Which two of the following matrix products is it possible to work out? A squared. A squared means A times A. A times A. That means 2 by 4 times 2 by 4. In order to find the result of this operation, in order to multiply these two matrices, you have to look at this number and this number. If they are the same, so you can find the result of the multiplication, and if they are different, you can't multiply these two matrices. And once these two numbers are different, so we can't find A squared. Now B squared means B times B. Same, 3 by 2 times 3 by 2. Look at this number and this number. If they are the same, that means you can multiply these two matrices. If they are different, you can't. And here they are different, so you can find B squared. Same for C squared. C squared means C times C. 1 by 3 times 1 by 3. Look at this number and this number. They are different, so you can find the result of C squared. AB that means 2 by 4 times 3 by 2. This number and this number are different, so you can find AB. AC A is 2 by 4, C is 1 by 3. So this number and this number are different, so you can find AC. BA 3 by 2 times 1 BA times 2 by 4. This number and this number are the same, this one and this one, so you can find the product of BA. Okay, so here BA is the first matrix that you can find the product of it. Now BC, we are here, BC, B is 3 by 2, C is 1 by 3. Look to this number, look at this number and at this number. They are different, so you can find BC. CA, C is 1 by 3, A is 2 by 4. This number and this number are different, so you can't find CA. Finally, CB 1 by 3 times 3 by 2. This number and this number are the same, so you can find CB. So here see the second matrix that you can find the result of you can find the product of it is CB. Now in the second part B, in part B, find the inverse of this matrix: half, 3/4, 1/8, 1/4. once they asked for the inverse, the first thing that you have to do is naming each element in this matrix. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay? In order to find the inverse, I will follow the shortcut method. In the shortcut, you have to switch the elements in the main diagonal اللي هو هذا المين diagonal اللي هو A, D. You have to switch the elements here. So your matrix will become نكبرها أكتر شوي. Okay, 1/4 here, half here, 3/4 here, and 1/8 here. Then you have to change the sign of the second diagonal اللي هو this one. So your matrix will become 1/4 negative 3/4 1/8 positive and half. Then you have to find the determinant of the matrix اللي هو A D minus BC, either from this matrix or from the original one. You will end up by the same result. AD 1/4 times half D minus negative 3/4 times 1/8. If by using the calculator, it will be 1/32. The next step is dividing each element here in this matrix by this determinant by using your calculator, okay? Or you can take the reciprocal of this determinant and multiplying each element here by the reciprocal, okay? Instead of dividing. If you by using your calculator, the results will be here 8, here negative 24, here negative 4, and here 16. Okay, explain why the matrix 4 2 6 3 doesn't have an inverse. As I taught you in my previous video, the matrix doesn't have an inverse when the determinant is 0. So you have to write here because the determinant equals 0, or for more explanation, because 4 times 3 minus 2 times 6 equals 0. أنا بهيك بكون حليت سؤال من أسئلة الباست بيبرز. طبعا الماتريكس فيها كتير نقط أنا ما غطيتها زي الاديشن subtraction, how to use the inverse in order to find the values of x and y. كل هذه الأشياء ممكن إنكم تعرفوها إذا راسلتوني على الإيميل تبعي اللي بيطلع على نهاية الفيديو. شكرا.